Let's see how it rains. When the sun shines very bright in the sky, it takes all the water from the plants and from earth. Then the sun drinks all the waters. The sun drinks all the water from the plants. And when you drink water, where does it goes and stores? It stores in your stomach, right? When we drink water, when we eat something, it stores in your stomach. But when sun drinks water, it goes and stores in the clouds, and these are the clouds. Now there is no water, right? Is it raining? No, there is no water. Now sun is drinking the water. Once the sun drinks the water, the clouds become very heavy. Let's see. When sun is drinking all the water, the cloud, it goes and stores in the clouds. Once the clouds get heavy, they drop down as rain. Once the clouds get so heavy, see how it is raining? Oh, it's raining. Yes. The clouds are now very heavy. The water is filled up. So they are coming down again. Can you see them? When they get heavy, they turn grey in color. Which color? Grey in color. So this is how it rains. Yeah. When the clouds are dry, there is no rain. But when the clouds are heavy, they are filled with water, what happens? They come down. Now squeeze it. See? It is coming down as rain. Yes.
Now what we see in rainy season? We see grey clouds, thunderstorms, raindrops, and children love playing in puddles and making paper boats. After rain, what do we see in sky? A beautiful rainbow. Now, what do we use in rainy season? We use umbrella, raincoat, and gumboot. They all keep us dry during rainy season. We also see frogs and peacock in rainy season. Thank you.